Hey everyone, John Beacon here, your pre-owned manager at Lexus of Orange Park. Come visit us at 7040 Blanding Boulevard to check out our Lexus certified lineup. Today we are featuring this 2021 Lexus LS500. This eminent white LS has only 12,000 miles and it has been priced to sell at only $74,320. This 10-speed automatic transmission rear-wheel drive vehicle is equipped with a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine with 416 horsepower. This vehicle comes with an abundance of safety features, including the pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and intelligent high beams. Some of this vehicle's highlights include Mark Levinson audio system, a 24-inch heads-up display, and a 12.3-inch display complete with Apple CarPlay. All Lexus certified vehicles come with a 161-point vehicle inspection, an unlimited mile warranty for up to 6 years, the next 4 factory recommended maintenances for 2 years, and a 90-day trial of Sirius XM radio. Stop by today to test drive this or any of our great Lexus certified vehicles. Until next time, bye-bye.